Hey everyone! Today, I'll walk you through Video Studio and its powerful features, so you can start creating amazing videos right away. The feed is your go-to for inspiration, featuring videos you can recreate or use as a starting point for your own ideas. Our text-to-video feature combines advanced generation models with intuitive editing tools. Simply type your prompt and select from our cutting-edge models. You can also fine-tune your creation with custom style, lighting options, and camera angles to achieve exactly the scene you want. Next up is Image to Video. This feature lets you upload any image and add motion to it right away. You can also use text prompts to guide the animation and define how the image should move. So that's Video Studio, a workspace made to help you create videos more easily and quickly. Watch our next videos to learn more about Video Studio and its tools. We can't wait to see what you will create with Video Studio.